Hello, and welcome back to another edition, or another episode, should I say, another Vlogmas episode of my crazy big black family, guys. Right here on YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the family. Happy Wednesday, everybody.
That's what we got kept back.
So, oh God, I can't. My husband, he's a clown. He be bugging. Oh gosh, I cannot, guys. It's a little inside joke, you guys would have to know. But welcome back to my crazy big black family, guys, on YouTube. And if you're new to this vlog or this video, guys, please don't forget, get subscribed to my crazy big black family, guy. As the title states, today's Vlogmas video Vlogmas day 20. 5 more days in the countdown. So today's Vlogmas video it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Let's get it. So guys, the reasoning, I'm gonna show my YouTube subscribers, viewers, yes, the essence, the vibe, the couple of days before Christmas, guys. So we got Christmas decor, as you see in the background, guys. Comment down below. Christmas decor been up since like right after Thanksgiving. We got a Christmas tree right here in the background. So I'm gonna go ahead and I got my little Christmas, seat to sit on for our Christmas pics as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a nice little, a little visual. So it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas because we're starting to pile up the Christmas tree. We got our decor on. We got 5 days and counting, 4 days before Christmas Eve. Everybody's tacking down, tuckling down, getting their last minute shopping in, and getting ready for that famous, fantastic day, Christmas Day 2023, guys. Don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this vlog and this Vlogmas video because, again, it's beginning to look a lot and feel like Christmas. Everybody loves this holidays, and for those who may be not feeling so happy on this holidays, mwah, to all of you guys, welcome to this Christmas Vlogmas video, guys. And like I said, Vlogmas day number 20. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Let's sit on down by the Christmas tree. So, guys, I want to just show you guys what we got going on here, guys. We are stocking up the Christmas tree. Everybody's got their gifts. We're going to redo the tree over because clearly there's no system here. We just got everything and wherever it can fit in. And with nothing specifically in a good place. So what we're going to do is we're going to, probably tomorrow, we're going to try to get things in order. But I got to get a little early night tonight because I start a new job tomorrow outside of my inside job, which is Successful Wear LLC. Comment down below or subscribe to that channel, which is our business channel, guys. But I'm doing an outside job, guys. I start a new job tomorrow. So wish me a good luck also on this Vlogmas Day 20, guys. So when I get off work tomorrow, I'll probably rearrange the Christmas tree to make it look a little bit more neat, organized, and in order. I hope you guys are having an amazing Wednesday evening. I hope you guys are on your way and on the road to getting everything ready for the look of Christmas, guys. Welcome to my crazy big black family, guys. Welcome to this channel. And whatever you do, if you don't get a chance to subscribe, make sure when you leave this video, you hit the subscribe and all notifications for my crazy big black family so you guys can get all the notifications of every upload, short video, Vlogmas video, and on our community post page, because we often write and upload to our community post page, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this day. I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas Day number 20. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, family. Wherever you are, wherever you're at, I hope that it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And for those people enjoying this day today, blessings and welcome. If you subscribe to my crazy big black family today, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And most of all, because I got to bring it back. I haven't did it in a while, but I got to stop that bring, because that's my vibe. If today, December 20th, 2023, is your birthday and you're celebrating a birthday on this Vlogmas Day, happy birthday, 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 happy birthday. If it's your birthday, December 20th, 2023, and you were born on December 20th, we want to wish you a very merry, happy birthday and a happy holiday upcoming season. Welcome and wishes to all of you guys. And thank you for watching this Vlogmas video on my crazy big black family, guys. Don't forget, get subscribed. Happy Vlogmas Day number 20 and happy birthday. Happy Wednesday. Stay tuned. Tomorrow, Thursday, Vlogmas Day number 21. 3 days and counting after that for Christmas Eve, and 4 more days and counting for Christmas, guys. The clock is a ticking, so get it done, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.